Welcome to
Math Problems number 173.
Math Problems number 173. Today we're going to talk about the Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah.
Last week we were talking about scaling and area. And then we saw this cool Barry Mazur video also about scaling and area. So actually let me write them on the inside. 3, 4, 5. So we have the Pythagorean theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared for a right triangle.
Yep.
So we take the square of the leg plus the square of the leg, that's supposed to equal the square of the hypotenuse.
Yep.
Didn't leave myself enough room to draw the square of the hypotenuse, so we'll just have to pretend.
Yep.
Right? So these squares, and what is the area of the square?
This area is 9.
9.
And
And the area is
that's 16.
16. And what's this area?
That's 25.
25.
And now we have to see, does 9 plus 16 equal 25?
Yeah, does 9 plus 16 equal 25?
Well, we know that 10 plus 16 is 26, so then subtract 1 is 25.
Yeah, awesome.
So the 3, 4, 5 triangle works.
Yeah, so we like our 3, 4, 5 triangle.
But can we find any other ones?
Well, and that's what we're going to talk about with scaling. What if I multiplied everything in this triangle by 3?
So that would mean 9. So that
9,
then 12
12,
and 15.
and then 15. Now, do you think this is still going to work?
Well, you multiplied everything in the triangle by 3, so I think it might work.
Yeah, so it's still the same triangle, but it's just either expanded a little bit, or maybe we use different measurements.
Yeah.
Maybe the first one was in yards, and now it's in feet.
Hmm.
So it should still work, right? Well, what's 9 squared?
It's 81.
81.
That's
12 squared.
144.
Do you know what the number 144 is sometimes called? If you have 144 of something?
Gross.
Gross. And then what's 15 squared?
Well, it's 125. 100.
Well, it's not 125, because that would be less than 144. It should be more.
So 15. So if it's 100, and then 10 and 150, and then 50, and then 25. So 225.
There you go. 225 is the area of the square up here that
So
I couldn't draw.
now
So what should we have being true?
81 plus 144 equals 225.
Is that true? Does 81 plus 144 equal 225?
Well, we have the 100,
So this is 100.
and then 80 plus 40 is 120, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So 225.
225, yay!
So it looks like you can multiply the 3, 4, 5 triangle by anything, and it will work.
And it will work. Now, what was the area of this one last time when it was a 3, 4, 5?
It was the area. That was 9, 16, and 25.
I multiplied all the sides by 3. The area went from 9 to 81. What's that multiplying by?
You're going up the powers of 3.
Okay, going from 9 to 81. I multiplied the side length by 3 to go from 3 to 9, and the area got multiplied by 9 to 81.
Yeah.
Let's look at this one. 4 to 12 is multiplying by
3.
Now, how do we get from 16 to 144?
Well, 16 to 144, it's 12 times. You multiply the side lengths by 3, so you get 12 times 12, which is 144.
Well, I multiplied the side length by 3, but how did I go from 16 to 144?
Well,
What do I multiply 16 times to get 144? I multiplied the side lengths by 3, and what should the area get multiplied by?
3.
Okay, let's check.
Well,
16 times 3 is 48.
actually, that won't work.
No.
Maybe
What did the area of this square get multiplied by?
9.
9. Okay. What would you guess here?
Well, probably probably. Well, maybe 9 also.
Okay, what's 16 times 9?
It's 90 and 54, and that's 144.
Okay, so again, this area got multiplied by 9. And what do you think this area got multiplied by to go from 25 to 225?
Probably not. I think 9 also.
If I had 9 quarters, how much money would I have?
$2.25.
Okay, so I get multiplied by 9. Okay, so when I multiply the sides by 3, the areas get multiplied by
9.
9. And we can even check it for the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is 3 times 4, which is 12, divided by 2, which is
Well, that's 6.
6. So if this area should be 6 times 9, which is 54. So let's see, 9 times 12 divided by 2.
9 times 12 over 2, so it's not. You can cancel the 2, so 9 times 6, 54.
Okay. All right. So what I wanted to show you is when I multiply the sides by a number, the area gets multiplied by the square of that number.
Yep.
Okay. All right. That's kind of a fun exercise in learning about scaling.